The Indian Air Force on Wednesday confirmed that Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat was on board in an IAF Mi-17 V5 helicopter that met with an accident near Kunur, Tamil Nadu. Rawat's wife Madhulika Rawat, including 11, died on the spot. According to reports, a total of 14 people were present in the chopper during the crash. It is reported that Rawat has been hospitalized with serious injuries and he is in critical condition. The IAF has ordered an inquiry into the accident. According to sources, along with CDS Rawat, his staff and some family members were also on board the chopper that crashed between Coimbatore and Sulur in Tamil Nadu. Search and rescue operations are underway, said sources. Meanwhile, it is speculated that climate could be the reason for the tragic incident. The fact that this is the sixth accident that is taking place within 3 years of time span due to technical glitches is a serious reason of concern. Even if climate or fault from the pilot's side or technical glitches is confirmed to be the cause that culminated in the fatal accident, the continuous use of obsolete and unupgraded fleets cannot be left unseen. On November 18, 2021, an Indian Air Force Mi-17 helicopter crashed in eastern Arunachal Pradesh. 5 crew members were on board and were confirmed to be safe, though they had minor injuries. The incident occurred while the helicopter was performing routine maintenance. On October 21st, an Indian Air Force Mirage 2000 fighter jet crashed in the Bhind district of Madhya Pradesh. The pilot was injured, but he was able to eject safely. Although the tragedy occurred due to technical difficulties, an investigation had been launched to determine the specific reason of the plane crash. Prior to that, an unmanned aerial vehicle drone of the IAF had crashed on the paddy fields of Kalanur village of Punjab's Gurdaspur. The incident was reported on August 10, 2021 after police and locals found the drone lying on the field and informed the nearby security base. On inspection, the IAF officials revealed that the crash took place due to a technical snag in the UAV. The officials had launched an investigation to identify the technical fault that led to the incident. On February 27, 2019, an IAF Mi-17 V5 chopper of the Indian Air Force crashed in Jammu and Kashmir's Bagdam district, killing 6 service personnel and a civilian on ground. And on April 3, 2018, 1 person was killed and 3 others were injured when an Indian Air Force cargo helicopter caught fire while landing in Uttar Pradesh's Kedarnath, reported ANI. The Mi-17 V5 helicopter reportedly caught fire after it hit an iron girder while it was attempting to land in a helipad near the Kedarnath temple. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.